Okay, my next problem here, we're going to take a look at how synthetic division can be helpful when we're solving especially application problems. I'm just going to do one example like this because we'll really keep using our synthetic division, and here it's not really anything new except for how we set it up. Here's my problem. We'll call this example 4. The polynomial x cubed plus 7x squared minus 38x minus 240 expresses the volume of a box with width x plus 5. We want to find what are the other dimensions. Before we start anything here, before we start trying to figure out how to set this up, let's think about how we find the volume of a box. We take our length times our width times our height. The only thing we know here is that our width is x plus 5. So I'm taking x plus 5 times whatever this is, times whatever this is, to get my total volume. I know then that x plus 5 has to be a factor. What I can do is take our polynomial divided by x plus 5 and see what's left over. That's what I want to start. If I'm dividing by x plus 5, this is a linear factor. I can do synthetic division. We write our coefficients, 1x cubed, 7x squared, negative 38x, negative 240. Dividing by x plus 5, so the opposite sign goes in my box. We bring our first number down. Now 1 times negative 5, add straight down. 2 times negative 5, and we add. Negative 48 times negative 5 is positive 240. Now, if you know something is a factor and you end up with a remainder, that's your clue. Something went wrong, you did something wrong, you made a mistake somewhere. Here's our remainder of 0. So our 1's, our x's, and our x squareds. We have 1x squared plus 2x minus 48. So in this case, we're seeing how synthetic division can actually be really helpful to help us factor something. If I take x plus 5 times all of this stuff, I'm going to end up with my original polynomial here, which would give me my volume. Okay. If I look at this can factor pretty nicely. Negative 6 and positive 8 are a pair of numbers that multiply to negative 48 and add to positive 2. So that's how we factor. X plus 8 times x minus 6. So that means our box, one of our, either our length or our height is x plus 8. Either our length or our height is x minus 6. And we know our width is x plus 5. So I'm going to say the box is x plus 8 by x minus 6 by x plus 5, whatever our units are.